Hi, Coldwell Banker Fremont. It's me again, Brittany Franson, your new field marketing specialist. Just wanted to reach out to each of you and say thank you so much for your time today. I think Design Concierge is going to be an excellent tool for each of you to utilize to get some new marketing pieces to bring you into the new year 2020, everybody. I also came to the understanding that there's a need for some more training when it comes to the marketing reports and what's available to you there. So instead of a tutorial, I think what's going to be a good idea is to do a workshop. And after chatting with Will, we do have some time next Friday, that's September 27th, from 1:30 to 3. So this workshop will walk you through each of the marketing reports that are available to you, how to add those into your signature lines, and then also how you can utilize them on your website. If you're interested, please respond to me and respond to this email, and we'll get you on the list for that workshop. Again, thank you so much, everybody, for your time. I hope you have a wonderful day.